Welcome back to The Rhode Show. This morning in The Buzz, brought to you by the Comedy Connection. A new survey finds that the average person overindulges in junk food 3 nights a week.
Yeah, and the survey also found that 62% feel they sacrifice taste over nutritional value when it comes to a healthy snacks. And then I was also reading that if you're someone who snacks throughout the day, the majority of the people feel a little guilty for doing that afterwards.
Oh.
You ever feel guilty for snacking? Our director just said, nope, not me. I'm fine with it.
Yeah, no, I do. Like, I will have something and convince myself that I don't need it, and then I'll sit there and stew about it for a while.
After going, why
and then
did
I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to have it. And then I feel completely guilty about having it. I do.
You're not alone, especially like if you work so hard throughout the day or throughout the week, and then you're going, I guess I could have just had, you know, one of those.
Yes.
I didn't need half a bag.
Right.
But it's so hard. And for me, it's like when it's the mindless. It's either when, you know, you're working, or sometimes even when you're driving. You ever get French fries?
Yes.
And you're just reaching in the bag.
Absolutely.
Reaching in the bag, and then you reach and it's just the bag.
Yes, and the salt.
And, and you're thinking, oh.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Oh, I love a good French fry.
Yeah. Oh, me too. Yes. I love snacks. For me, though, 2 words sums this up. Candy dish. I got candy dish going. Actually, there are 3 of them.
Good.
Because it's on one of those little trays that holds 3 dishes.
3 different things.
And it looks nice. And you're probably supposed to put other things in it than candy.
Right.
But it's always candy.
Right.
And so for me, it started off with, you get the themes for the holidays and the different colors of whatever you're celebrating. And now it's just, it's empty. We need to fill it with more candy.
Right. Right. So a couple of years ago, I went to a nutritionist, and she said I could have like the dark chocolate from like Trader Joe's.
Okay.
You know, because
like a good
dark chocolate
high
from Trader Joe's. So I was on a roll. You know, you'd snap off the piece and have it. Oh. And then all of a sudden, I would snap off the piece and dip it in peanut butter. I was like, you know,
and I'm gonna guess it wasn't like a tiny dab of peanut butter.
Oh no.
This was like a handful of peanut butter.
Yeah. Not only was it not a tiny dab of peanut butter, but I would take the other piece of chocolate that I snapped off.
Yep.
Sandwich.
Like a sandwich.
Yes. Not part of the dietitian's thing that she wanted me to do.
Like a homemade Reese's.
They're asking me chunky or smooth. I am not particular in that.
Okay.
I'm equal opportunity.
Yes, I think that's good.
So I don't discriminate. I like either. I do like either. But
I think for the dip, I think it's going to be creamy, right? If you already have the crunch of the chocolate bar.
And I don't like dipping it with the Teddy's All Natural.
Well, then that's just a handful of oil.
It's a handful of oil, and it's sometimes very hard to, you know, the whole
scoop.
The big
and
scoop.
half your chocolate ends up in the jar.
Yes. And my favorite cake is the Heath Bar Crunch from Greg's. Which I'm telling you, if I had a piece right now, I'd devour it.
We weren't even talking about cake.
Don't care.
You just said.
You asked me what my favorite junk food was.
Bonnie, too, in our Buzz video online, Brendan, she mentioned cookies kind of being her weakness. And I got to say, anything fresh out of the oven.
Yeah, what you
Now, what do you have?
Delicious pierogi from Dirk's.
Delicious, right?
Fantastic.
Yes.
It's a good snack.
Keep talking while I finish it.
Okay,
Yes.
well, I will finish my thought of saying, and I think you'll agree with me, Will, it's very tempting when an item comes fresh out of the oven.
Oh, yeah.
I think quality control, you got to have. A
cookies,
fresh brownie, a cookie,
and
even like bread.
And good Fritos. I like the dipping the scoop.
He is all over the place.
Hey, remember when the Dipping Fritos opened for Hall & Oates?
I do. That
was
was
a great show.
I love their song, too.
Yeah. But there's so many options when it comes to snacking. And Michaela, yesterday, as we said on the show, was National Popcorn Day. You were saying how that's your favorite snack. You put me on the spot. I said probably Cheez-Its. But really, any variety of crackers and cheese. I know, Will gasping, right?
We need one of these cushions to open up and just
I need like a snack closet.
Yes.
Yeah.
He just lifts it up and it's an entire Greg's cake. Well, so many options, so little time. Let's check in with our viewers to see what you guys have to say about this topic this morning. Linda's up first. Let's get right to it. She says, my cheat day is usually at bingo, the snack table, a variety of candy, popcorn, chips. Oh my, I love how she added that for emphasis. I understand, Linda. James says junk food is my downfall. I have to stop buying those Reese's bars and Dr. Pepper, M&M's too. Oh yeah, boy, a good soda. Oh, geez, see what you guys have done to me today. All I want is a soda now. And Jeannie's up next with, hello, my name is Jeannie and I'm a Cheetos-aholic. I am 7 days Cheetos free, but that won't last. It's so tough, but good for you, Jean, taking a break. And Michelle says, this is incredible. I've lost 100 pounds during COVID. I have one meal a day, but I still eat pizza and French fries and order Chinese food once a week, maybe twice. That's it. All in moderation. If you can do your thing and stay on course and watch what you take in, hey, you can still enjoy those favorites. Thank you for chiming in, everyone. You know what to do each and every day. First of all, follow us at The Rhode Show on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and then wait patiently for us to go live every morning on Facebook around 7:15 with our Buzz topic of the day. Leave your comment, and we might read it right here on the show.